2,000 years later. Six hours later, tomorrow, the next day, 2,000 years later.
Hello everyone, I'm Indra Malasari, a student majoring in Communication Studies at Bina Sarana Informatika University. Here, I'd like to share my opinion on the President of the Republic of Indonesia, Mr. Prabowo Subianto. Since taking office on October 20, 2024, the Prabowo Subianto administration has marked a year of national leadership with concrete achievements in the fields of economy, public welfare, and government reform. Commitment to public welfare is demonstrated through various concrete programs, such as the 3 food program and job creation in the local food production sector. However, many improvements remain in the nutritious food program due to the high number of food poisoning cases. In the fields of education, the government has also renovated schools throughout Indonesia. However, some schools remain unsuitable for the nation's children to learn. In the first year of Prabowo administration, massive demonstrations by the Indonesian people were also held, sparked by numerous issues related to inappropriate policies. This incident led to clashes between the people and the police, resulting in numerous casualties. Many corrupt officials were also exposed during Prabowo Subianto. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Indra Malasari, a student majoring in Communication Studies at Bina Sarana Informatika University. Okay, on this occasion I will discuss the simple present tense with the explanation that I know. Okay, next, what is simple present? Here, simple present tense is a verb tense used to express habits, general fact, or events that do not change. This tense is often used to describe routines, constant tasks, and fixed schedule. Okay, so the simple present tense has its main function to write. What are its main functions? The main functions of the simple present: number 1, state general fact. Example, the earth revolves around the sun. Number 2, that starting habits. Example, I always exercise every day. Number 3, that starting the schedule. Example, the bell to enter is 7:30. Number 4, express feelings or thoughts. Example, I'm happy today. Next, we will discuss the formulas or ways to make simple present tense sentences. Okay, this is positive formula. Subject IUVD plus verb 1 plus object. Let's just predict it with an example. For subject we study English every day. We subject study verb 1. For subject they play football every weekend. Subject I I go to school. Okay. Next, formula positive. Subject plus verb 1 plus S or es. Why use S or es? If the subject is he, she, it, or a singular noun plus object. Okay, let's just protect it with an example. For subject he drinks coffee in the morning. The subject drinks verb 1 plus S. Okay, because the subject is he, so in verb 1 and S. Okay, she reads a book before she sleeps. It rains a lot during the rainy season. Okay, next, formula negative. Subject. For subject, I, you, we, they plus don't plus verb 1 plus object. Let's just protect it with an example. Subject we don't study English every Friday. Subject I don't like pizza. Subject you don't like her. Next, formula negative. Subject he, she, it plus does plus verb 1 plus object. For formula negative, subject he, she, it, us, does. Okay. For subject he does drink coffee. Subject she does work hard. Subject it does rain in the afternoon. Okay, next, formula interrogative. For subject I, you, we, they. Do subject for I, you, we, they plus verb 1 plus object. Okay, let's just protect it with an example. For subject do we study English every day? For subject you, do you go to the gym? For subject they, do they live in this city? Next, formula interrogative. Us, does. Does plus subject he, she, it plus verb 1 plus object. Okay. Example, for subject he, does he live in Jakarta? For subject she, does he study English every day? For subject it, does it rain often in the afternoon? Okay, next, use of adverbs of frequency. Simple present is often used together with adverbs of frequency to show how often an activity is done. Examples of adverbs of frequency: that, always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. Next, differences from present continuous. Simple present is used for habits and verbs, while present continuous is used for activities that are happening at the moment. Example for simple present: I read a book every night. That habit. Example for present continuous: I am reading a book now. That ongoing. Okay, that's all I can explain. If there are any mistakes, please correct me because I'm still in learning stage.